When a potential customer comes to your website, they might view some products and even add items to their cart. But did you know that for most stores, 90% of their visitors don't complete a purchase? Yet, you spend a lot of time and money trying to acquire new traffic. So how can you make sure that you're getting the most out of your future and current customers? Enter web push and SMS engagement from Pushnami. Pushnami was built to help you acquire new customers while growing sales from your existing customer base. Our easy-to-use platform allows you to grow your list of marketable subscribers by turning your website visitors into opted-in web push and SMS subscribers. With campaign flows that can be enabled with a single click, you can use SMS and push notifications together at every stage of your customer's buying journey. Whether they leave after looking at a product, or if they actually add something to their cart, our automated SMS and web push notifications send your subscribers a reminder, and even a discount code, to re-engage them and incentivize them to complete their purchase. Increase repeat sales with features like product recommendations, flash sales, and loyalty offers for products that customers buy regularly. You can also build a great customer experience by automatically welcoming your new subscribers and providing them with automated shipping updates for their orders. As you grow your customer lists within Pushnami, it's easy to use our pre-built segments, which filter your subscribers based on their behavior and help you send personalized messages just for them. Launching a new marketing channel is never easy, but with Pushnami, it just works. Install Pushnami today and start capturing subscribers and sending campaigns in under 2 minutes.